Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can fix the problem of TikTok not being able to convert your business account to a personal account. First off, head over to your TikTok app, get logged into your account, and then this could be a technical issue. Immediately reach out to support. For that, tap onto your profile. Then we will have to access settings, so tap three bar icon on your top right. Select settings and privacy, scroll all the way below, and then tap on Help Center. In here, tap on Chat with Us. You will get to a page where you can have a live chat. This could be a bot chat for now, but if you keep on talking, it will be forwarded to a real person or maybe a TikTok supporter. Simply type in hi first and type in your problem. Mention very clearly that you're not being able to convert your business account to a personal account. And likewise, follow the on-screen prompt and they will assist you in your problem. Thank you all for watching, guys. We will catch up in our next upload.